welcome to my channel and welcome to our very first YouTube video. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you're watching and you have not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that every time I post you get notified. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. This is not a proper introduction. I will do one properly later on when I do other stuff. For now, I am rushing because I have an order for roses. Yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I know it's giving mama's gamsha, but like, I'm not doing anything hectic. I'm just literally running an errand. So come with me, but also I just might not take you guys with me. I'll just show you guys after I'm done putting the flowers together, and then we'll continue with the rest of my day. I hope you love it here. Yeah, bye for now. I am embarrassed. Even me, I'm embarrassed. I don't know how many times I was contemplating relaxing my hair yesterday, and I think I've finally come to the decision that I'm going to relax my hair. Because Afro, baby, I'm tired. But yeah, let's head out. I also have to get rid of those, unfortunately, when I come back, because every other minute, like the petals are falling here and on the floor, and I have to sweep like every other minute. And when I say every other minute, I'm not kidding. I just swept away some of them now, and yeah, I can't do this right now because I'm rushing. But when I come back, definitely getting that sorted out. So I just came back now and I put the bouquet together, and this is what it looks like. Don't forget to follow FBL on Instagram, Flowers by Loy. The client also just requested for them now. I'm just waiting for the driver to arrive, and then we're gonna go downstairs and put these in the Uber, and we are done with that. They look so pretty. Donna, hello Johnny. powder now. I actually didn't think I was, let me not even say think, but I did not want to put any, like, not even to put any, but to like do a whole lot of like installation videos in my vlogs, solely because I don't want I don't want my social media to look repetitive, because I have installation videos on my TikTok. So angifuni manje kube ukuthi sengiyabona yabo. Yeah, but then I also started thinking which is like actually also low-key manifesting, like working with hair companies, to say, should a hair company come across like my channel and they want to work together or to collaborate or something, and I don't have any hair content, that might be a problem. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a band over this, and then I think I'm like, that's it. That's all I'm gonna show you guys with like the hair, because I feel like everybody knows how to like install at this point. I think what I'm gonna do in details, not right now though, in the future, is when I want to style my hair and it's not like a basic hairstyle where it's like a middle part or a side part, like maybe something interesting, then I'll do like a detailed video. But for now, this is it. So I'm all done with the installation, and finally order has been restored. I have been looking like a hobo for the longest time, okay, but I'm glad I'm done with that. So I'm feeling a bit hungry. I think I'm gonna make something to eat, but angikhalelanga like ukufukuza. No, so I'm just gonna make noodles and what else, and an egg. I'm craving for eggs, so I'll make noodles and an egg, and I'll have Coke on the side. I feel like I've also just been very productive today. I packed my work bag. I woke up early in the morning, and I'm not a morning person. I despise waking up in the morning, but I had to do what had to be done, and I did it. The client was very happy with the bouquet that I put together, which also makes me happy. Don't forget to follow my Instagram page for my flowers, FBL. Yeah, I've been very productive. Sengikhohlwe nokuthi bengithini. Yabona nje ngathi YouTube uzoba inkinga. I packed my bag, my work bag. I finished with the flowers. I took content for the Instagram page and I sent it off. That's done. What else did I do? I washed my hair, I installed, that's done. And I did a side part. I don't normally do a side part. I'm a middle part girly through and through, Baba. As G, as a Lalila. But I don't know why today I just decided to do a side part. And guys, was Jehovah. But yeah, I'm done. So bye for now. Oh, remember how I said I also had to get rid of the flowers that were there? I did that as well. Like, ngisebenzile guys. No, ngisebenzile. I'm actually almost done with my makeup. Should see Sorin. Abo askis. I thought I was gonna film a bit more of the makeup process, but I don't want to run out of time and then now I'm rushing. Whereas I could have another day where I do a bit more. Yeah, so I just need to add setting spray and just like small finishing touches, and then we are done. Also, thank God I actually filmed that video, because I did not see that I didn't blend properly here. You see, in this lighting it looks perfect, but in that other lighting it shows it's not properly blended, so I'm just gonna blend that quickly. See, now it looks fine. I beg, show me the flashback. Exactly, nowhere to be found. I actually like this hair with my makeup. I don't know why I never go for a side part. I'm still... Hey,
like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. We gone for a year, only know like once.
So this is the final phase and the hair. I am done and I'm about to head out now. I'm not going to be taking you guys with me, so that means I will see you guys on another day of this vlog. Bye. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of this vlog. Yo, I feel like I'm catching flu, but I'm also low-key hoping it's just my sinuses acting up. I feel like the worst flu is like seasonal change flu, and that flu you get when it's hot. I don't want to be looking stupid in front of people when it's so hot. People are having the time of their lives, and me not busy my finger and it's ish. But yeah, anyways, welcome to another day of this vlog. I have no idea what I'm doing today, or rather what we are doing today. But yeah, we'll figure it out. Yo, I felt so horrible. Let me take a shower, and then maybe like umzimba uzovuka and my voice will sound much better. I'm actually still feeling a bit sleepy, but so late. Yo. So I took a shower and I finished doing my hair, and yeah, I put lashes on, and I wasn't really feeling the side part actually like yesterday. As the night continued, I actually realized nope. So yeah, changed up my hair, I'm done, and I'm having some green tea. Thankfully my voice is okay now. I'm still not sure if that was flu or my sinuses are like acting up, but I still have a runny nose. Oh Jehovah. So I guess we'll just have to see as the week continues to go by. Is this flu or what? But yeah, I just came here to say this is all for today. I don't think I'm going to be filming anything else. So I'll see you guys on another day of this vlog. Bye. Yeah, bud. Oh. No. I'm afraid this just might be flu. It's only... It's only the beginning where my throat feels so itchy. That's why I keep doing this thing, and I have sinusitis, so I'm part of the gang. All done with my makeup. I'm going to head out to work now. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today I have a couple of errands to run. I'm gonna go to the mall. There's a couple of things I need to get, makeup stuff, nail stuff, and a couple of other things. So I'm gonna take you guys with me.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well, huh?
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. in the meantime.
Decide where we're at.
Get some me time. I don't know.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and
But I need you now. Yeah. I find why I gave you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I mean the mess of my mind. And I mean to give you freedom. Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green.
So I got home not too long ago, and I'm gonna do my nails now. Yeah, and I'm also gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna do cluster lashes, but I bought 2 strip lashes, 2 pairs of strip lashes, and I'm gonna cut them into like pieces, small pieces, and then layer them on top of each other to create like a voluminous cat eye look. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna film all of that because I feel like these cuts, if I keep filming in between, I'm gonna get the munch. And I want to do everything like quickly so I can cook and eat and rest. So yeah, I'll show you guys everything after I am done. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome back to another day of this vlog. The last time we spoke to each other, I said I was gonna get my nails and my lashes done. I got them done, but then I took the cluster lashes out because and I'm so sorry that it was very uncomfortable for me. Also, I'm not used to like individuals or cluster lashes. I'm still trying to get myself to like get used to that feeling, but kunzima. So I took them off. It's just my nails, so I'll just be using like strip lashes for now. But I think a solution would be for me to actually go to the salon and like get them done by a professional instead of trying to DIY everything. Also, I am going through the most because in this heat my sinuses just like it's bad. I've been sneezing every minute, so I have to carry this everywhere I go. So yeah, I'm just gonna head to Food Lovers to do our monthly run of fruits and vegetables, but my partner has already left. They left before me because they needed to do some other things, so I'm gonna be meeting up with them, and I'm not gonna vlog all of that because that part of like the vlogging is gonna be on our YouTube channel. Please do follow, not follow, what am I saying? Please do subscribe to that channel as well, The Life of Ellen T, and the vlog will be up soon. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. Latoya's lies! Latoya's lies! Bye for now. So this is the outfit of the day, OOTD. Nothing much, just and I have tissue because wow. White top, bag from Daniel Hector. That was a gift from my mom for my birthday. White shorts and slides. Let's go.
Change foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chugga, look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing, though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.